And it's Kraetzer for CaMMVetsMedia. We're in White Plains, the Tri-State Engineering Expo, sponsored by McLaren, and have a chance to talk to one of our friends from Syracuse University, and that is Kathleen Joyce, Assistant Dean on Recruiting, a very large school of engineering at Syracuse. Kathleen, good to see you. What's it like to be here?
Ken, it is great to be back at the great Tri-State Engineering Expo. It's great to see you again, and really wonderful to see the energy and enthusiasm of the students, not only continuing, but building every year we come back. I wouldn't miss this for the world.
Well, you've got a large school, 2,500 students, undergrad, graduate students. Tell us a little bit about some of the programs in engineering that you have at Syracuse.
We have a great assortment of engineering programs. And I think one thing that's special for students is we have the full range and breadth of programs. So from aerospace to electrical to biomedical, civil, a full range of programs that give students a lot of options and opportunity to explore their interests. So we're really excited, and being here to talk to students as they're in that process of discovering is really great to help make us these connections.
Well, you've got a school here, Foundations of Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, and Operations Research. Wow, that is so important. I just was at an Army conference. They would be saying that'd be on the top of the list for them. Tell us a little bit about those programs.
Absolutely. Our Department of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science is home to those fantastic programs in AI, machine learning, operations research, and systems analysis, where we're really on the cutting edge of innovation that will be, so much the part of the present and the future. And so students that are interested in those fields, now is just such a great time to get in on it.
I got to ask you, what is autonomous and cyber physical systems? That's a new one.
Actually, when we're thinking about drone technology, robotic technology, that all falls under that domain of autonomous systems. And high school students are thinking about like robotics and engineering, and so the time again is so perfect given these sort of focus on these areas right now at Syracuse.
Another one that came up at the Army conference I was at is materials innovation and advanced manufacturing. Army leadership is talking about that a lot. What does that involve, advanced manufacturing?
Absolutely. I mean, the applications are so varied, whether it's a biomedical applications, innovations in tissue engineering, materials science, also, of course, other applications in mechanics and civil engineering, using more lightweight materials, innovative materials that are more sustainable, have a longer life. This is all sort of a huge area, all encompassing in material science.
And you got robotics and controls, so important, obviously in manufacturing, robotics, but that was a key thing for the Army, is robots.
Absolutely. Again, too, like you see the kind of strong connections to be here at the Engineering Expo, meeting students that are really interested in robotics and from the high school level, and the kind of work that they're doing at Syracuse that's really bringing that to a much larger scale and scope. So especially through the pathways of like electrical engineering and mechanical engineering. So again, it's an exciting time with so much opportunity for students.
Hey, you mentioned that you're just back from a trip recruiting students from India. What is that? Obviously, India's industrial and technology sector has grown so much. What was that trip like to India for you?
India is always an incredibly special place for me. That was like my 14th trip over the years to India, and each time it's new and it's exciting. And really, I think what sets India apart, actually, I can make a lot of comparisons between the Engineering Expo and India, where the enthusiasm and the passion for engineering and computer science is so very, very high. But being in India, meeting students, and really making the case for why they should come to the U.S. is an opportunity that I am just so blessed to have, and to really help students to see why they should come to the U.S. is an opportunity and experience like no other.
Hey, you mentioned that there's a major engineering facility plant being built just north of you in Syracuse. Tell us about that.
Absolutely. So thanks to the CHIPS Act, we have Micron has made a historic investment in upstate New York, a $100 billion investment to build the largest fab plant in the Northern Hemisphere, just 20 minutes north of Syracuse in Clay, New York. This is creating a huge workforce need. They are going to need about 9,000 individuals to sustain that plant, 5,000 of which will be engineers and computer scientists. So this is really transformative. It's not only Micron though, but many of the companies that support Micron are also locating to Syracuse. So it'll be transformative for the region, transformative for the students who join and take advantage of this, and certainly for the whole any of us related to Syracuse and that area.
Very good. Well, you're a terrific, enthusiastic representative of your school. How long have you worked at Syracuse?
Ken, when I was 17 years old, I had the opportunity of a lifetime to go to Syracuse for college. I always tell people, little did I know how Syracuse would transform my life and give me the opportunity to travel the world, to travel to White Plains, and to recruit engineers. My dad has passed away, but he would always tell people, my daughter recruits the future engineers of the world. And Syracuse has given me that opportunity, and it's beyond words. I've been part of the Syracuse University Engineering College for over 30 years, but I was only 10 when I started.
That's right. Well, we always enjoy our trips to Syracuse. Been to a few basketball and football games there. Of course, Kathleen Joyce from Syracuse, the College of Engineering and Computer Science. It's great to see you here in White Plains at the Tri-State Engineering Expo.
Ken, it's great to see you. I was so happy to meet you last year, and I have been following your work. And to see you again this year, I was just overjoyed. I felt like I came from India just to see you. So the connections that we make at these fairs are so important and really in their own way transformative as well. So it's great to see you. Keep doing what you're doing. We love it, and we need you.
Well, thank you so much. That's so kind of you to say, and I'll look forward to seeing you here next year. Great to see you, Kathleen Joyce from the College of Engineering and Computer Science at Syracuse. Great to see you here. Thank you. And this is Ken Kraetzer for CaMMVetsMedia.